2020 is the most challenging year to myself and to everyone.
When the pandemic hit, I think like every other workplace, no one really knew quite what to do. And so there was a scramble to figure out our situation.
I work at the Frontline and we have to do COVID testing every day. I'm not allowed to work from home. I have no choice. I have to come to work every day.
Because healthcare is just provided in just a much better way when it's in person, we did have to make the decision as a clinic when we would come back in. So all of the providers, starting in July of 2020 is when we started to come back into the office.
At one point, the bus stopped running. I have to find a coworker. We tried to save the gas and we tried to carpool together.
I do remember having to think long and hard about how I was going to start commuting to work.
And when the bus started, I'm so excited and get on the bus again.
At first, the buses were actually really empty. I think most people were afraid to be in a public space like that. And I think the more folks had to make it to their frontline jobs, the bus did start to fill up again. And so now I'm back to a pretty typical commute. The buses, it's full, but not too full. I've never had a moment where I feel unsafe.
We are required to wear a mask every day, and everyone is protected on the bus.
The drivers have done an amazing job just keeping everyone safe as much as they have control over.
And I really appreciate GoTriangle system to help the commuter like me to continue come to work and to serve for the community and to fight the COVID with everyone together.
But I really was committed to taking the bus and riding my bike. It really is the best way to get to work.